Hi Cybertruck fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today we're going to talk about accomplishing two things with one job for your Cybertruck. First things first, wrapping the Cybertruck. Everybody's doing it. People want to change the color. The stainless steel is cool, but not cool enough for everybody. And people want to have a different color, a different appearance, but they also want to protect the stainless steel and protect the truck. The best way to do that is to use TMaxx color PPF film. You get to have two things in one. This film is PPF, paint protection film. It comes with a 10-year warranty. It has self-healing properties. If it gets a little nick or some road rash, it protects the stainless steel, but it also changes the color, and that's what everybody wants. This particular customer chose a new color for us, and this is Satin Pearl White. So it's got that satin sheen to it. When the sun hits it, you pick up a little bit of that pearlescence, but otherwise it pretty much looks satin white, which is one of the most popular colors within the Cybertruck community. Now, besides getting a color change and besides going ahead and protecting the stainless steel, this customer took this transformation a little bit further. He chose our 22-inch CTM wheels. These are fully forged wheels, monoblock style wheels in a satin black finish with the Falcon all-terrain tires. This specific tire is perfect for the Cybertruck. It does come in 22-inch. It is the correct fitment, not only for the truck, but also for our wheels. And the beauty of this center cap assembly is that you do not see any of the mounting hardware, even though it is the original Cybertruck mounting hardware behind it. It gives it that floating center cap look. Says T-Sportline, always straight, looks super cool, especially when you're driving. Now, this customer wanted to personalize his Cyber Beast a little bit different than all of us. And we recreated the Cyber Beast logo and applied it on the two front fenders where the Foundation Series badging normally goes. And yes, this is a Foundation Series Cyber Beast, but he wanted to forgo the whole Foundation Series badging on the front fenders and put the Cyber Beast heads over there. Now take a look what's happening in the back of the truck. This is really cool. On the tailgate, we recreated the Cyber Beast logo, enlarged it, and applied it in the center right here. There's no doubt that this is a Cyber Beast. Anyway, thank you so much for watching today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you enjoy our Cybertruck content and all of our Tesla content, I promise you we have so much more coming your way soon.